In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related posts to WordPress. Adding a related post section to your website is a simple but powerful way to keep your visitors engaged. By displaying content that's relevant to what your audience is already reading, you can encourage them to explore more of your site, stay longer, and even boost your SEO performance. Whether you're running a blog, portfolio, or business site, this feature can make a big difference. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through the steps to set it up quickly and easily. First, head over to the WordPress.com homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you can choose how you'd like to sign in. For this tutorial, we'll use the Continue with Google option, which you'll find right there on the screen. This method is a super convenient way to log in because it saves you from having to remember yet another password. If you're already signed into your Google account in your browser, the process will be even quicker. If you're not, you'll just need to sign in to your Google account first. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the account that's linked to your WordPress site. If you don't see the right account listed, you can always add it manually. Once you've chosen the correct account, you'll be logged in and taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, look at the right-hand panel under the Quick Links section. You'll see the Edit Site option. Click on that. This will launch the Site Builder mode, which is where you'll make all your changes directly to your website. Think of the Site Builder as your digital workspace. It's designed to make customizing your site easy and intuitive. Once you're in the Site Builder, look toward the top left corner of the interface there. You'll find a button with a plus icon. That's the Add button. Click on it to open up the block search menu in the search bar that appears. Type in Related Posts. This will filter the options and show you only the blocks that match your search. From the filtered results, locate the Related Posts block and click on it to add it to your page or post. This block is a fantastic tool because it automatically retrieves and displays posts that are relevant to the current content. It does this by looking at the categories or tags you've assigned to your posts, so it's a great way to keep your content connected and engaging for your audience. Once the block has been added, you'll want to confirm that it's placed correctly on your page. Take a moment to adjust its position if needed so that it fits seamlessly into your layout. You can also tweak the block settings to better match your site's design or functionality. This step is important because a well-placed and well-designed related posts section can significantly enhance user engagement, encouraging visitors to explore more of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a related posts section to your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your readers to discover more of your content, which can help improve their experience on your site and boost your overall engagement. If you have any questions or tips of your own about using WordPress, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.